the Empowerment for Unemployed Youth Initiative, the Niger Delta Youth Council of Nigeria, and several other civil society organizations. After thorough findings, we realized that quite a number of Nigerian youth operating on the Binance platform were being twisted, money is being lost, running into several millions and even billions of dollars. We had a situation where Binance was like the lord of the manor with the yam and the knife dictating everything. And we also realized that Binance did not have any operational office in Nigeria. Binance did not have any proper presence that, okay, if we had an issue, we could go to. So Binance was just operating in isolation. And if you have an issue, we had situations where young men were losing money. Men and women were losing money on that platform. Then we began to carry on thorough investigation. And this took a lot of time before our petition that came before the House on the 5th of December 2023. We now realized that in order to evade payment of taxes to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Binance is not registered in Nigeria. Binance, despite the push by SEC sometime in 2022, refused to even heed to the call that SEC made. And so we listed all of this in our petitions. Binance is not registered, Binance has evaded taxes, and this is running into billions of dollars. That is monies that ordinarily would have been used to grow the economy, develop the economy, assuage the plight of the masses, and create jobs for the unemployed youth. We also realized again that when this government came on board, there were individuals who at some point wanted to channel funds and funnel funds through platforms that will not be easily traced. And Binance was one of such leading platforms through which this terrorism financing was done and money laundering act was done. And in the course of this, Nigeria also lost several billions of naira. Again, our national security was also affected. And so we took it upon ourselves as patriotic citizens to blow the whistle and to bring a petition before the House of Representatives Committee on Financial Crimes. And the House swung into action immediately. So today you can see that something that started with a little whistle blowing, today the CBN is on its feet and has also unearthed the fact that over 26 billion passed through Binance in the last 1 year or so. The National Security Advisor is also doing their own investigation on their own part, but overall, the House is on this. Our petition is before the House of Representatives, and you see today that there is a resolution. We are sure that Binance will be brought to answer to all of these things and to remedy every wrong that has been done against the Nigerian nation and against the Nigerian people.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.